Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Weekend Shenanigans. We are heading out to go to a friend's house to cook some healthy dinner and to watch the NBA playoffs and whatnot. But I wanted to do a quick intro because I'm going to compile, is that how you say it? I'm gonna put in the Memorial Day vlog. I was supposed to do a whole Weekend Shenanigans on just the Memorial Day weekend, but I felt like I didn't have enough footage. So I looked back at the footage and I really do want to include it in this vlog. So we're gonna rewind to 2 weeks ago and I'm gonna insert those Memorial Day clips. I'll jump back on and we'll start off this weekend. So there you go. Hi guys, welcome to another Weekend Shenanigans. Excuse the noise in the back. It's actually pouring rain right now in Miami, so there's like a whole bunch of noise. But we are on our way to Jensen Beach for the weekend, for Memorial Weekend. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Guys, so yesterday I did not vlog very much. It was really rainy. We came in and we were just basically like hanging out, and we went by the pool, but it was really cold. The kids couldn't really get in, so it was a very chill day. We turned in early, but today is Sunday and the rest of the group is rolling in, so I think we are gonna get lit today. And the grandparents got here so they can take care of the children, and yeah, so right now we're just in the room getting ready, and then we are gonna head out to the pool. The weather is getting a little bit better. It's still cloudy, but we're gonna make the best of it. Kita! Woo! Pour it in our Fetty cups.
Es que no son mosquitos, mira el tamaño que tiene.
Mira el tamaño, Adrián.
Mamá.
The vlog.
Jensen Beach,
put in the plug. Alright guys, so I'm halfway through my makeup and I realized that perhaps I should have vlogged this. So I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette. I just used a little bit of my bronzer in my crease, and I'm gonna go ahead and take El Malecón right here on the little like flat brush in the Ojitos Trio, and just pack that. Oh my god, this color is like stunning. Guys, this is like not even wet at all whatsoever. So we're just going out to dinner and perhaps have some drinks. I know I haven't been vlogging very much, but the thing is that it's like crazy raining out here. This like storm that's like coming. I don't even know what the heck is going on, but it's putting a damper on my Memorial weekend. But today we basically just enjoyed a little by the pool. We had like an hour of sun, so we like took advantage of that. That was basically it, and then it just started to rain, and then we like played dominoes and stuff. But now we're gonna enjoy our last night out here, so I'm just gonna dip into a smidge of Coco Taxi, like super little, just to blend everything out. Alright guys, for lips I'm gonna take this red shade from Lipland. It's called Radioactive. I use this in my tutorial for the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and I just love the formula of this lipstick, and it's like this bright red and perfect for summer. So let's brighten today up with a little red lip. Yes.
ahora es cuando podemos disfrutar, porque si no, hay niños y no se puede, coño.
So we came down to the pool. It's about 11 o'clock at night already. Put the kids to bed, and it's super cute out here. It's all like lit. We're about to like put on our bathing suits and get in the pool. Oh,
Turn it on, turn it on,
turn it on.
turn it on.
Turn what on? This way. Lighting, girl.
And this is me.
Aunt Jemima.
Looking for a plug. We need
Always.
battery.
Where's the plug?
Battery. Very important.
Hi guys, so we are leaving Jensen Beach now. It was a fun weekend. We didn't let the rain stop us. Today was a beautiful day. We ended up getting sun. It was supposed to rain all day, but it was sunny and we did not get any rain whatsoever. So it was a great day and we were able to stay here till really late. So overall it was a good weekend with friends and family. So yeah, I hope you guys had a beautiful Memorial Day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hi guys, I am out for a walk. It's usually what I do in the afternoons. I take Ari out for a walk in her stroller and I do this for about 30 minutes because mamas don't like to work out, so at least a walk gets me a little bit active and out of the house and some fresh air.
You got me thinking about all the fucked up things I did to you. Now I gotta think about I guess I can't talk it out. Yeah. Ain't nothing to talk.
Hair is done, guys. This is how I smooth out my hair. It gives me like a light wave, but it takes off all the frizz and makes my hair pretty much presentable, and it literally takes me like 15 minutes to do. So this is usually what I do when it's a Friday and I'm not doing anything crazy, but I don't want my hair to look like crap, so I just smooth it out a little. So right now I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and then later on put some makeup on, very light, because I'm just going to a friend's house and we're gonna be cooking and stuff. So I'm gonna do that and then I shall take you guys along with me. I'm sure we have to go to the grocery store and buy some stuff or whatever, so I will take you guys along with me for that.
All night long, think about all night long, all night long.
So we already ate. I basically had a lettuce burger, let's just say regular burger with cheese in a lettuce wrap, because since I'm on the keto, I can't do bread. And I had some cheese to pair with my wine. Now wine is not super keto, but if you do drink alcohol, they do recommend to have wine and like hard alcohol versus like cocktails and stuff like that, or beer. But yeah, we're just hanging out. We have chicken wings cooking in the back, but they take a little longer, so. Cheers to waking up skinnier.
Not fat loss. Right here in the stomach area.
Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, I promise. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. Just enjoying some coffee outside. It's one of my new favorite things to do. I love just coming and sitting on my porch and just enjoying fresh air. I would have never done this like a couple of months ago, but lately I've been just loving just chilling and relaxing. I usually bring Ari out here. She plays in the front yard and I just sit and simmer and drink some coffee. She's not here right now. My parents actually took her because we have a Havana party tonight. They're gonna be in Broward, so they took her over to some like restaurant festival thing. But yeah, so I basically have no plans. I was supposed to do my cousin's makeup earlier, but she's doing it herself, and I'm just gonna do it before her party. It's actually her birthday, and she's doing it Havana Cuba themed, so I'm super excited. I bought this really cute romper from Fashion Nova, so you guys shall be able to see that. But yeah, I basically have no plans for the day. I'm just gonna probably start getting ready around 4 because I have to be at her house roughly like at 7. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along to the Havana party, and it should be fun. Hi guys, we are on our way to the Havana party. I think I feel a little festive. My little yellow romper on, wearing Alaban on my eyes. I love the way this look turned out. The lighting's really bad right now, but it's my favorite look so far that I've done with the Alaban Cosmetics palette. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the party.